Hello everyone, welcome back. I am Nagaraj S. Kumbar Goppa, lecturer of Computer Science and Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belagavi. In this video, we will continue with the introduction part of design and analysis of algorithms. So, here we will discuss about the important problem types such as graph problems, combinatorial problems, geometric problems, numerical problems. Other than those sorting, searching and string processing, we have these problems too for you people, that is graph problems, combinatorial problems, geometric problems and finally numerical problems. We will see what exactly these kind of problems will help us to solve the problems which we are solving with the help of algorithms. Graph problems. A graph is a collection of points called vertices which are connected by line segments called edges. Graphs are used for modeling a wide variety of real-life applications such as transportation and communication networks. Also, it includes graph traversal, shortest path and topological sorting algorithms. Basically, there are two common problems of graph types, that is the traveling salesman problem, which finds the shortest tour through n cities that visits every city exactly once. The graph coloring problem, that is second one, is to assign the smallest number of colors to vertices of a graph so that no two adjacent vertices are of the same color, and it arises in event scheduling problem where the events are respected by vertices that are connected by an edge if the corresponding events cannot be scheduled in the same time. A solution to this graph gives an optimal schedule. That is all about the graph problems. The next is combinatorial problems. The combinatorial problems, nothing but the traveling salesman problem and the graph coloring problems are the two examples of this kind of problems, combinatorial problems. This kind of problems that ask us to find a combinatorial object such as permutation, combination, or a subset that satisfies certain constraints and has some desires. For example, maximizes a value or minimizes a cost. Then these kind of problems are difficult to solve for the following facts. First is the number of combinatorial objects grows extremely fast with the problem's size, and second one is there are no known algorithms which are solved in acceptable amount of time. That is what combinatorial problems. Then the next problem is geometric problems. This kind of problems deals with geometric objects such as points, lines and polygons. It also includes various geometric shapes such as triangles, circles, etc. The applications for these algorithms are in computer graphics, robotics, etc. The two problems most widely used are the coolest pair problems, given n points in plane and find the closest pair among them, and the convex hull problem is to find the smallest convex polygon that would include all the points of a given set. These are the two problems most widely used in design and analysis of algorithms, that is about the geometric problems. Then the next is numerical problems. This is another large special area of applications where the problems involve mathematical objects of continuous nature, such as solving equations, computing definite integrals and evaluating functions, and so on. These problems can be solved only approximately. These require real numbers which can be represented in a computer only approximately. And the algorithms designed are mainly used in scientific and engineering applications. This is about the numerical problems of important problem types. Let us discuss what we discussed in this video, that is important problem types such as sorting, searching, string processing, graph problems, combinatorial problems, geometric problems, and finally numerical problems. And many sophisticated algorithms have been developed over the years in this area, and they continue to play a critical role in many scientific and engineering applications. Still, it is important for any computer literate person to have at least a rudimentary idea about numerical algorithms. If you are having any doubts, please do ask your queries. Thank you so much.